Do you like to sprint or do you like to jog?
Sing and jog.
Ah, good. I like
Sprint or jog.
no, I like both.
I like both. Both too.
Good job, guys. Okay, let's practice a little bit with that. Do you like your teacher?
Yeah.
Good
Yes.
job. Good job. Do you like Johnny?
Yes.
So say I like.
I like teacher and Johnny. Oh, there.
I like both.
I like both.
Very good, guys. Do you like noodles?
Yes. Yes.
Good job.
Yummy. Too yummy.
Very yummy. Very yummy. Good job. Do you like dumplings?
Yeah.
I like.
Both.
Good job. I like both.
I like both.
Very good, guys.